Welcome back, great minds. Yeah, great minds. That's who you are. Now, this is the third video on how to use Canva. And in this video, we're going to be looking at designing basics. Designing basics. Here, you're going to understand how to create visually appealing designs. The objective of this video is for you to learn design principles for creating attractive visuals, right? So now these are the steps we're going to follow. When creating your designs, like I mentioned earlier, Canva is just like mathematics, right? Many roads lead to the market. So you can actually click on create a design here, create a design. When you click on create a design, it's still going to bring you to when you click on more. I mean, you can either click on create a design, or if what you want to create is not listed here, or you want to view more options, click on more, and then you have different kinds of designs you can create here. So for this particular video, we're going to click on Instagram post. Instagram post. If you look at the canvas here, it looks more like the one we used the other time. Oh, this is a bit longer, right? Good. So you have different sizes of canvas. Okay, remember the space you're working on here is the canvas. The tool itself is Canva. Very good. Now what we're going to do here, we're not going to create everything all from the beginning. We're going to choose templates, and we are choosing a quote template. All right, we're choosing a quote template. You can see we have Republic Day, we have college, we have quotes. So let's choose quotes. Now we're going to choose motivational quotes, right? Motivational quotes. That's what we're choosing. Are you getting how we're going about this? Now, of all the templates we have here, majority of them, like I told you earlier, majority of them are on Pro, but this particular one is free. This particular one is not on Pro. So once you click, this is something we call click and place. Okay, we call it click and place. All right, we are not dragging, we're just clicking. Now there's difference between when you're dragging and when you're clicking. This one is click and drop functionality. So just click on it and you have it applied on your canvas. So now you see that it's already highlighting this picture for me. I may want to change this picture to my picture. I have my picture, right? So I'll just go to my uploads. I have my picture on uploads. Okay, I have several other pictures because I've been using this a lot, right? So I have my picture. I can just click on this picture here, and then, okay, if I want to replace this picture with this other one here, this is what I'll do. Let me delete this. I'll click on this picture and I'll click on the three dots. Then I will click on replace. Let me scroll up. Replace picture. Let me scroll up. Okay, it's telling me replace background. All right, I don't think I have the option of replace picture here, but I should have the option anyway. All right, you should always have the option of replace picture. Okay, yeah, we should always have the option of replace picture, but if it is not here, if the option of replace picture is not here, we can actually delete it and then add, maybe, let me even delete this one. Let me delete this one and add my own picture here. This is delete image. I want to delete image. I'm not deleting grid. So I want to add my own picture here in the grid. So it's here. Now because I'm using Pro, I can flip this picture, right? If you're not using Pro, you may not be able to flip it. So I can flip this picture, and that's because I am using Pro, right? So I can add this picture again down here and maybe possibly remove the background. I am using Pro, right? That is possible because I am using Pro. If I'm not using Pro, I may not be able to remove the background of this picture. But because I use Pro, then I can remove the background of that picture. It's not coming up. Supposed to, yeah. Right, so I can click on remove the background, but then what we're trying to do here is create a post. So we are not getting to removing background here. I'm just showing you that you can replace your pictures, you can put whatever you want to put in here and just get your work done. Right now I want to replace this text here. I want to replace this text, so I'm going to double click on it so that it brings my keyboard. Now this is my keyboard. What text do I want to replace? Now, to save our time, I would have replaced the text with push yourself, because no one else is going to do it. So I've shown you how to replace your text. I can as well change whatever it is that I have here. Whatever it is that I want to change in this template, I can change it. I can change the background color, anything, everything. I can change that. So all you need to do if you're using your phone is double click on this, and even if you're using the system, just click on it, delete and replace it. But because my keyboard is not big enough, so I'm just going to show you. I've changed the picture, I've changed the text. Nothing can stop you if you put your mind to it. All it takes is a change of mindset. I can put my name here. Let's say I want to put my name here now. Yeah, I should be having my keyboard anyways. So I want to put my name here. Where's my keyboard? My keyboard is not coming up. Okay, don't mind my tab please. So you can always do this. You can always do this. Change anything you want to change, move it around. You don't like it where it is, take it up. You see what I'm using now, right? I'm using the plus sign to move it. Then you can use this curves, these two curves with arrowhead, these two curves here with arrowheads to turn your work. Okay, you can see I've turned that already. That put your name here now. I've turned it, so I can move it around. I can move it around, do whatever I want to do with this. Do you see that? So now what did we do here? We went to we clicked on Instagram post, right? Then when we clicked on Instagram post, it gave us an automatic size, right? So you don't need to set the size here because you clicked on Instagram post. So it gave you this size. Then we click on design. You see, to get a template, you always get a template from design. If I want to change this template, now let's say, okay, I don't even want this template. All I need to do is back it and go up a bit to see if I can have more templates. Let's say this is also free. I want to click on this. You see, it has automatically replaced the one that was there before. It's as simple as that. The one that was there before is displaced already. It's not saved, right? So it's replaced it, and now we have a new template, of which you can still edit whatever it is you want to edit here, the text, everything you want to edit here. So this is going to be the end of video 3 on how to use Canva. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notifications button to receive updates for new videos that are dropping. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.